Welcome. This is a Prospect Park South, Brooklyn, New York, one-bedroom apartment available for rent. In Prospect Park South, this spacious pre-war one-bedroom apartment offers a classic layout with traditional hardwood floors and updated modern appliances. Heat and hot water are included in the monthly rent. The well-maintained elevator building features on-site laundry facilities and a live-in superintendent. Pets are considered. Conveniently located near Cortelyou Road and East 17th St, the apartment is within walking distance of the B, Q, 2, and 5 subway lines, providing easy access throughout Brooklyn and Manhattan. Enjoy living just minutes from Prospect Park, offering miles of walking and cycling paths, sports fields, tennis courts, picnic areas, the Prospect Park Lake, the Prospect Park Zoo, and the Lafrac Center at Lakeside for seasonal ice skating and roller skating. Nearby Cortelyou Road is home to a variety of neighborhood cafes, restaurants, bakeries, specialty food markets, and local shops. The area is also close to the Brooklyn Botanic Garden, the Brooklyn Museum, and the historic Flatbush Commercial District, providing year-round dining, shopping, recreation, and cultural attractions. Thanks for viewing. Like, subscribe, and landlords and brokers. List your properties with U2 Apartment. For inquiries or business opportunities, email us at info@u2apartment.com.